As we've been incorporating technology into our classrooms, one thing that we've been finding is that it has been difficult to compile resources and websites and information for both the teachers and for the students. And another piece that would be helpful is if we're giving the students assessments online, it would be nice to have some sort of automatic grading that we could use. And the solution I have found for these problems is Schoology. Schoology works similar to Blackboard or other online classes in that you can compile all of the information, the resources, the quizzes and tests. They can all be found in one place. You can also create courses um, so that students can go into their different courses to find the different materials. Over on the side here, you see the calendar, messages, people, and subscriptions. This section right here is actually fairly similar to social media tools such as Facebook, where you can organize all of your different data, you can send messages, and it's very user-friendly for both the teachers and for the students. Up at the top, you see home, courses, groups, and resources. So in groups, you can either create your own groups or find other groups that already exist to connect for various purposes. In resources, you can find and create personal, public, and group resources. They also have apps. What I want to show you today is what the courses feature looks like. Now, creating a Schoology account for teachers and for students is very easy. As an instructor, you just go in and create an account. You need an email address, a password, and that's pretty much it. What you can do under courses is you can either create a course or join a course that has already been created. So I went ahead already and created a course for Social Studies 5B. That's the course that I teach. So once I click on this, you'll see right here at the top that because I teach 5th grade, I teach students under 13, Schoology is requiring me to verify my identity. And the reason that they're doing this is right here it says, these measures will greatly improve the security of our students and set a new industry standard for education technologies. With your help, we can ensure that our students have a safe learning environment and alleviate any concerns from parents so you can focus on teaching. So Schoology is it's very important to them that they are respecting and protecting our students' privacy and safety online. And so Schoology offers a lot of safety features to keep kids who are under the age of 13 as safe as possible. As I mentioned before, you will be able to add materials and create different assignments within each of your courses. So right now I'm in my 5B Social Studies course, and I was able to create a folder, which is really easy to do. Add materials, add folder. So what I did is I created, within Social Studies, I created a folder just for the Revolutionary War. We have started a big Revolutionary War History Day project that will span over the next couple of months. So this will be a great place for students to compile information and also interact and take quizzes and have discussions and things like that. So I have created a couple things. First of all, I have created a link. It says add materials, add file or link. I created a link that directly links to their Revolutionary War Google Doc into the Google Drive. I have also created a discussion post here asking students to reflect on what they have learned from the Revolutionary War. You have the ability to create your own grading scale. So at our school we have exemplary, mastery, progressing, and does not meet the standard. I was able to set that for myself, and then once I grade these assignments, I will be able to go into the grade book and see how everyone is doing. Now I'm not able to show you that right now because I am still waiting for account verification. But that is an option for you. They also have the grade setup link right here. So you can see grading periods, final weights. I know that within my own gradebook at school, we actually have the option to upload Schoology grades into the account, into the gradebook. So that will be helpful once grading time comes. They have badges that you can create and assign to the students for meeting different expectations and things like that. You can also keep track of members. So the whole course is extremely user friendly, and the way that it would be useful in the classroom is again just to be able to go into a class, set up all of those um, set up all of those folders, assignments, and topics and things like that, and have all of your information compiled into one easy place. The good news for our students is that each student, we're in a one-to-one classroom, and each student has their own surface. So we will be able to pin this site onto their desktop, and all they'll have to do is click the pin, go to the link, and get started. I think that it will really help the students to become more independent and free us up as teachers to um, work with the students more individually.